हेलो इंडिया, प्यारे देशवासियों को मेरा अभिनंदन। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर कुमार नीत गोयल है। नीट एग्जाम 5 मई 2019 को हुआ है। उसकी आंसर की बायोलॉजी का सेकंड पार्ट 45 क्वेश्चन की आंसर की दे चुके हैं। बाकी बचे 45 क्वेश्चन की आंसर की आपको इस वीडियो में मिल रही है। पूरी भीड़ लगी हुई है, आप देख सकते हैं, और किस तरह से हमें मेहनत करके ये पेपर लेना होता है। कितना भीड़ यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है और पूरा ओरिजिनल पेपर हम उठा के यहाँ देते हैं। A to Z का इस यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। हम यहाँ पे नीट का पेपर लेने के लिए आए हैं। कितनी भीड़ लगी हुई है, कितने बच्चों का पेपर छुप रहा है, आप देख रहे होंगे। अनअकैडमी पे भी हम एजुकेटर हैं, तो आपको ये पूरी की पूरी आंसर की मिलेगी शाम। हाँ, एक्चुअली ये है अभी पेपर दे के आए हैं भैया अनअकैडमी पे, और A to Z का इस पर आपका स्वागत है। तो पेपर के बारे में बताएंगे कैसा हुआ।
People who have studied well in physics can do it easily. Okay. With chemistry, although the very easiest part, if anybody has studied it well, he or she could have done it in I might saying half an hour, more than half an hour. Would not take it to complete physics. Okay. Biology was not average, like not very hard.
Your good name? Tushar Mittal from Ghaziabad itself.
Yeah.
Okay, actually our YouTube channel name is A to Z careers. We will put its answer key today. You can check it out. A to Z careers। और अनअकैडमी के बारे में पता है आपको? देखिए, ये मैंने आपको सेंटर से लाइव वीडियो दिखाई। अब शुरुआत करते हैं सेकंड पार्ट बायोलॉजी की आंसर की। सेकंड पार्ट ये आपको मैंने आज वीडियो दिखाई है पूरी की पूरी, जो हम क्वेश्चन पेपर कलेक्ट करके लाते हैं ओरिजिनली सेंटर से। ई सूर्या R2 टेस्ट बुकलेट की बची हुई आंसर की बायोलॉजी की। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू फॉर गोल्डन राइस? इट इज विटामिन ए एनरिच्ड विद ए जीन फ्रॉम डैफोडिल। ऑप्शन सेकंड विल बी करेक्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फीचर ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड डज अलाउ बैक्टीरिया टू प्रोड्यूस ह्यूमन इंसुलिन by recombinant DNA technology? It is genetic code is nearly universal. Option 4 will be correct. Phloem is gymnosperm lacks both sieve tubes and companion cells. Option first will be correct. Purines found both in DNA and RNA are adenine and guanine. Option third will be correct. Which of the following glucose transporters is insulin dependent? Glut 4. Option first will be correct. Extraction of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs after entry of sperm but before fertilization. So option second will be correct. Which of the following is a commercial blood cholesterol lowering agent? It is statin. Option third will be correct. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. Seminiferous tubulus, retitestis, vasa afferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, urethral meatus. This will be the male reproductive system. Option third will be correct. Respiratory quotient RQ value of tripalmitin is 0.7. Option third will be correct. Which of the following statement regarding mitochondria is incorrect? These three option is correct. Only third option is incorrect. Enzymes of electron transport are embedded in outer membrane. Option third will be your right answer. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out what? Nitrogen fixation. Option second will be correct. Drug called heroin is synthesized by, it is synthesized by acetylation of morphine. Option third will be correct. What is the site of perception of photoperiod necessary for induction of flowering in plants? It is leaves. Option first will be correct. Select the correct option. There is only one option is correct. There are 7 pairs of vertebrosternal, 3 pairs of vertebrochondral and 2 pairs of vertebral ribs. Option first will be correct. Next question. Placentation in which ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary or in peripheral part is parietal. Option 4 will be correct. Conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, the first irreversible reaction of glycolysis is catalyzed by hexokinase. Option third will be correct. cells in G0 phase is what? Exit the cell cycle. Option second will be correct. Match the following organism with their respective characteristic. Pila. Pila option will be third correct. So Pila is Radula Bombyx. Bombyx will be fourth, will be correct. Bombyx will be Malpighian tubules. Third answer will be second. Pleurophokia is comb plates. And tinea will be flame cells. So your answer will be third, fourth, second and first. And third option will be correct here for the R2 combination. Tidal volume and expiratory reserve volume of an athlete is 500 ml and 1000 ml respectively. What will be his expiratory capacity if the residual volume is 1200 ml? It will be 1500 ml. Option second will be correct. What is the direction of movement of sugars in phloem? It is bidirectional. Option first will be correct. Use of an artificial kidney during hemodialysis may result in what? There two results will be there. So option C and D are correct. These are reduced absorption of calcium ions from gastrointestinal tract, reduced RBC production. So C and D are correct. Option 4 will be correct for this question. Column first to match with column second. P wave. P wave will be fourth option. P wave will be depolarization of atria. QRS complex. QRS complex will be answer first. That will be depolarization of ventricles. T wave. T wave option will be second. T wave is repolarization of ventricles. Reduction in the size of T wave, option third will be correct. Coronary ischemia. So your answer will be correct. Fourth, first and second and third. Second option will be correct of R2 booklet. Select the incorrect statement. These three statements are correct. This is incorrect. So option 4 will be your answer. In domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. Option 4 will be correct. The Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 was called for conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefit. Option 3 will be correct. Which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not completely curable? That is genital herpes. Option 4 will be correct. DNA precipitation out of a mixture of biomolecules can be achieved by treatment with what? Chilled chloroform. Option first will be correct. In Antrihinum snapdragon, a red flower was crossed with a white flower, and in F1 generation, pink flowers were obtained. When pink flowers were selved, the F2 generation showed white, red and pink flowers. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. These three statements is correct. Only first will be incorrect. So your answer will be first. Law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. It will be applied. So first answer will be correct. Next question. Select the correct group of biocontrol agents. That is Trichoderma baculovirus Bacillus thuringiensis. Option 3 will be your answer. Match the following. Insulin. Insulin will be 5th. Insulin is diabetic mellitus. Thyroxine. Thyroxine answer will be 4. Thyroxine means goiter. Next is option first. So corticoids is Addison's disease. Next is growth hormone. Growth hormone option will be 3rd. Growth hormone is acromegaly. So your answer will be 5th, 4th, 1st and 2nd. Option 4 will be right answer. Which one of the following statement regarding post-fertilization development in flowering plants is incorrect? That is ovules develop into embryo sac. So option first is incorrect. All these three are correct. So your answer will be option first. The frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosomes as a measure of the distance between genes was explained by T.H. Morgan. So option 2 will be correct. Consider the following features. organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, true collimates with segmentation of body. So your correct answer for above characteristic groups possess Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata. Option second will be your right answer. From evolutionary point of view, retention of the female gametophyte with developing young embryo on the parent sporophyte for some time. It's first observed in peridophytes. Option 4 will be your right answer. Which one of the following is not a method of in situ conservation of biodiversity? That is botanical garden. Option 4 will be right answer. Express sequence tags, ESTs, refers to what? These are genes expressed as RNA. Option second will be correct. The concept of omnicellula, E-cellula regarding cell division was first proposed by Rudolf Virchow. Option second will be correct. Which of the following immune responses is responsible for rejection of kidney graft? That is cell mediated immune response. Option first will be correct. Which of the following muscular disorder is inherited? That is muscular dystrophy. Option third will be correct. Which of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in the treatment of plant disease? That is trichoderma. Option second will be correct. Match the following. Saprophyte. Saprophyte option will be second is right. Saprophyte is decomposition of dead organic material. Parasite. Parasite option will be third correct. Parasite is living on living plants or animals. Lichens. Lichens option will be 4 correct. Lichens is symbiotic association of algae and fungi. Mycocordia. Mycocordia option will be first correct. Mycocordia is symbiotic association of fungi with plant roots. So your option will be second, third, fourth and first. Option first will be your correct answer. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia and is sterile? That is Klinefelter syndrome. Option third will be correct. Persistent nucleus in the seed is known as perisperm. Option third will be correct. Which part of the brain is responsible for thermoregulation? That is hypothalamus. Option third will be correct. Due to increase in airborne allergens and pollutants, many people in urban area are suffering from respiratory disorder causing wheezing due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Option third will be your right answer. And it is the last question of the biology for the today. What map unit centrimorgan is adopted in construction of genetic maps? It is a unit of distance between genes on chromosomes representing 0.01, means 1% crossover. So option 4 will be correct. We have given all the questions here for the biology, and this is my profile on Unacademy, Dr. Puneet Goyal. I am teaching from last 29 years for the government job preparation. You can follow me on Unacademy with the name of Dr. Puneet Goyal. You will find the all courses there. You can follow me on Unacademy. If you like this video, hit the like button and rate our video. This is our channel A to Z Careers. You can subscribe our channel if you have not still subscribed it, and also press the bell icon. Thus whenever we will put a new video, you will find it. We will give you the physics and chemistry answer key today itself. God bless you. All the success in your life. Thank you very much for watching my video. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, bye.